Sometimes you want your border not to have a sharp edge. You want a rounder edge. Now we can achieve that using the border radius property. You can either set border radius to be a certain value for all the edges, or you target a particular edge. Now the border radius uses a particular value in pixels, and the higher the value, the more curved the edge will be. Now, by default, we have our sharp edges, more like angle 90. We're going to give it border radius. For a start, we can give it 10 pixels. Now, you can see it curved, but if you want it to be smoother, we can increase the pixels. So in this situation, we have 30 pixels border radius, and we have a smoother edge. So you can use this property when you need smoother edges.